If you want to keep your emails, meetings, and CRM data in one place, syncing Outlook with Salesforce is a powerful solution. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to sync your Outlook emails and calendar with Salesforce step by step, even if you have zero experience. This integration helps you stay organized, reduce manual work, and improve productivity. To get started, log into your Salesforce account and go to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find search bar, type Outlook Integration and select it. Enable the option called Outlook Integration and Sync. Make sure email and calendar sync settings are turned on so that both platforms can exchange data properly. Next, open your Outlook account and install the Salesforce add-in. Go to Get Add-ins or Microsoft App Source. Search for Salesforce and install the official add-in. Once installed, refresh your Outlook application so the Salesforce panel becomes visible. After installation, open any email in Outlook and click on the Salesforce panel. Log in with your Salesforce credentials to connect both accounts. Once connected, you can start linking emails to Salesforce records like leads, contacts, and opportunities. For calendar sync, go back to Salesforce Setup and search for Einstein Activity Capture or Sync settings. Enable calendar syncing and choose the direction of sync, such as syncing Outlook events to Salesforce or both ways. This ensures that your meetings and schedules stay updated across both platforms. You can also enable automatic email logging so that important emails are saved in Salesforce without manual effort. This helps maintain a complete communication history. Additionally, contact syncing ensures that your contacts remain consistent between Outlook and Salesforce. Make sure to review sync settings carefully, including which folders or data you want to sync. This helps avoid unnecessary data clutter and keeps everything organized. In short, syncing Outlook emails and calendar with Salesforce involves enabling integration, installing the add-in, connecting accounts, and configuring sync settings for emails and events. Now that you understand the process, set it up and start managing your communication and CRM data more efficiently. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.